Welcome traders. Today, I will share a mind-blowing trading strategy that's not only incredibly simple to understand, but also remarkably accurate in predicting market trends. Forget about Supertrend and other complex indicators. I'm going to introduce you to an indicator that outperforms them all, consistently pinpointing the exact trends in the market. So if you also want to open profitable buy and sell trades like these, make sure to not miss any part of this video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. We are only going to be using 2 indicators in this strategy. This is why this strategy is very simple to understand and apply in our live trading. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. So first of all, to add our main indicator of the strategy to the chart, let's click on the Indicators tab and search for RSI Momentum Trend. We will add this indicator created by this creator to the chart. As you can see, not a lot of people know about this indicator. The RSI Momentum Trend works by utilizing the Relative Strength Index RSI and a momentum threshold. It calculates the RSI and evaluates 2 momentum conditions, positive and negative. Once a momentum condition is met, it is visually shown on the chart so traders can know what direction the market is trending. If we click on Settings, we can see that we are able to adjust the positive and negative momentum values. For our strategy, the default settings are fine. We also have the option to enable or disable the signal labels and the trend ribbon. We will only disable the signal labels. And this is the only change we will be doing for this indicator. Now firstly, let me show you guys a comparison between the RSI Momentum Trend indicator with the more classical trend detection indicator, such as the Supertrend indicator. We can see how the RSI Momentum Trend is far better at identifying the correct trend. Here we can see the market is clearly in an uptrend, but the Supertrend indicator shows several indications of false downtrend signals. It's many times the same with a downtrend. The Supertrend indicator tends to give many false uptrend signals. While on the other hand, if we have a look at the RSI Momentum Trend indicator, we can clearly see that it was able to accurately determine the start and end of the trend halving, with no false indications of the trend of the market going in the opposite direction. Such an accurate trend indicator is invaluable to our trade execution. I'm going to show you a super easy strategy that you can use in your trading using this indicator. So let's go ahead and add another indicator to our chart that we will use to enter buy and sell trades. So for that, we will click on the Indicators tab again and search for Stochastic RSI. I'm guessing some of you already know about this indicator, as this is a pretty popular indicator and many traders use this signal to get buy and sell entry signals. We will click on this one listed under Technical section and add it to our chart. We are not going to be changing any settings for this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. For those who don't know, the Stochastic RSI is an indicator that allows us to better see the shifts in the market momentum. It is a technical indicator used to measure the strength and weakness of the relative strength indicator over a set period of time. It derives its values from the simple RSI indicator. Let's quickly see how we can read the Stochastic RSI indicator. We can see this indicator consists of a red line and a blue line, an upper band and a lower band. The upper band line is set at 80 level, while the lower band line is set at the 20 level. Whenever both the lines are below the 20 level and the blue line cross above the orange line, this is a signal to open a buy position. For example, here we see we got a buy signal, so we could have opened a buy trade here. Similarly for a sell trade, whenever both the lines are above the 80 level and the orange line crosses above the blue line, this is a signal to open a sell trade. So as we see, we got a sell signal here. So we can open a sell trade here and you can see the amazing results. So we will confirm the trend of the market using the RSI Momentum Trend indicator and use the Stochastic RSI to confirm the entry. Now that our chart is set and we know how we can read both of the indicators, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we want the RSI Momentum Trend indicator to show that the market is moving in an uptrend. As we can see here, the indicator is green in color that indicates that the market is moving in an upwards trend. So now we will wait for a buy signal from our Stochastic RSI indicator. As we see here, the lines are present the 20 level, and then the blue line crossed above the orange line. So this means we have got a signal to open a buy position here. So I'll quickly open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be set above the previous swing low, and we will set our take profit target at risk to reward ratio of 2%. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target or not. As you can see, this was a successful buy trade. Let's go through one more buy trade example. Here we can see the Supertrend indicator is showing us that the market is in an uptrend, and the Stochastic RSI indicator gave a buy signal right here, as we can see the blue line crossed above the orange line below the 20 level. So I will open a buy trade here. Our stop loss will be set at the recent swing low, and the take profit target will be set at 2%. There is one more rules we can apply while setting our take profit target. Let's see that in the sell trade example we are going to see next. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. In order for a sell trade to be considered valid, the initial requirement is for the RSI momentum trend indicator to signal a downtrend market movement. As depicted in this instance, the indicator displays a red color, signifying a downward market trend. Subsequently, we patiently await a sell signal from our Stochastic RSI indicator. In this scenario, we can see here, the indicator lines are positioned above the 80 level, and the orange line has crossed above the blue line, giving us a signal to sell. Without any delay, we will open a sell position on the candle we have got our signal. Our stop loss will be placed above the recent swing high, and we either place our take profit target based on a 2% risk to reward ratio, or we also have the option to hold the position until the overall trend changes on the RSI momentum trend indicator. However, if you decide to use this exit strategy, it's best to trail your stops above price as price runs in your direction. You can do this by moving your stops above significant highs in downtrends or below significant lows in the uptrend market. You can do it manually or use an indicator that automatically does the price action analysis for you. There are plenty of them present in TradingView. So this is going to be it for this video. If you want to see more amazing strategies like this in the future, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.